Hi everyone, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video here with me and Joel. So today I'm going to be starting off my day with some, if you can see here, sprouted buckwheat mixed with PB2. I also have some sliced up bananas in there as well. And then I have a 32-ounce jar of green smoothie, which is basically 8 cups of greens mixed in with a scoop of vegan vanilla protein powder from Garden of Life. It's the raw vegan protein powder with a 1/4 cup of mixed berries and also a half a banana. And then after that, I'm going to be having a 1/4 cup of mixed nuts, which includes almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts. Okay, we'll see you guys at lunch. Okay, and so for lunch, I'm actually making my raw vegan pizza. I have my crust here that I made out of sprouted kamut mixed with carrots, some pizza seasoning, and onions that I dehydrated in my dehydrator for about 8 hours, 7 hours or so. I have my homemade raw tomato sauce that I made, and then I'm going to be chopping up some vegetables and topping it off with that. Then I'm going to dehydrate it again once it's all assembled for maybe an hour just to warm them up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so my pizza is all finished. I had assembled it and warmed it up in the dehydrator for about an hour. So I added some olives to it and nutritional yeast, in addition to my bell peppers and mushrooms. My tomato sauce, I forgot to mention earlier, is that it was made out of fresh tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh herbs such as parsley. I also added Italian seasoning to it with onions and just blended that up. So it looks so delicious. I'm going to go and enjoy my pizza. Okay, so I decided to finish off some of my leftovers that I had in the fridge. So just to show you here what I'm going to be eating, I'm going to be eating this zucchini noodles that is mixed with a creamy bell pepper cashew sauce that I made, along with some fresh snap peas and my carrot puree that you can see here in the corner, along with my fresh corn on the cob. So I'm going to be enjoying this. I probably will eat one more snack later on tonight before I go to bed. Usually it's something sweet. So I will check back in with you guys then. Say hi, Joel. Hi. Hi. All right, so the last thing we're having today is going to be my orange banana smoothie. And after I drink this, I probably will just work on the computer for the rest of the evening. Usually after I've had my sweet treat for the day, I finish off with some tea or decaf coffee. And I actually have some decaf coffee here with my homemade cashew creamer, which is just blended up cashews, 1 cup of raw cashews with 1 cup of water. So sometimes I mix this with Brazil nut milk. It just depends how I feel. Yeah, and so today it's going to be raw cashew creamer. Anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please check Pure Living Nutrition out. It's also on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And until next time, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.